Y'all, if you're trying to buy affordable cash flow properties for like very, very small amounts of money, like less than $20,000 out of your pocket, I want you guys to pay attention to some of these markets in the Midwest, all right? I specialize in working out there, and today I'm working with my man Joe, an out-of-state investor, on a deal that I'm going to help him put together in Akron, Ohio. Let's run the numbers now. I am James Wise, and I am here to help you make money. I'm going to be running the numbers on a real deal. You want to be here. Yeah, we're going to go out of state, but of course, you know my team's going to take care of that. Let's check it out. All right, y'all. This one that I have today, this is quite nice. All right, this is a nice looking house, man. This is a nice little turnkey house. Look at this thing. Nice looking exterior, in pretty good shape. You go on the inside here, and it's pretty much turnkey, right? We're pretty much ready to move a tenant in here, right? You got the hard flooring, which is good because you have hard flooring. You don't have to keep changing carpet in between tenants, right? When you have a bunch of like Section 8 tenants in your houses, in between tenants, you tend to get things on the carpet like, juice, wine, animal pee, animal poo, human pee, human poo, right? It's a whole thing, right? Cool thing about wood and stuff like that, especially if you do a nice clear coat on top of it, pee and wine and juice and all that jazz will come right off, okay? But the downside, y'all, to hardwoods and stuff like that is if you have a multi-unit building, the sound is going to be much louder and it's going to cause your tenants to fight each other. Luckily for you guys, this is a single-family home, so you're not going to have to deal with that, right? There is no neighbor above or below, but they do rock the carpet in the bedrooms, though, probably for the sound, all right? Now, just way back in here, too, very important. See that? That's a brand spanking new looking hot water tank, and that furnace doesn't look too old either, probably like 5-6 years. Hot water tanks last like 15 years, furnaces last like 30, okay? By the way, the address on this one, 1063 Arlington, Akron, Ohio, all right? Akron, 69.9, just hit the market. Nice house, y'all. I want to offer 69. We can't play around. Like nice little turnkey deals for this cheap. They don't come up very often. So you gotta get aggressive on this one, y'all. All right. Now we should be able to get a Section 8 tenant in there for about $1,000 a month. That's $12,000 a year. You run your fixed and variable expense estimates that I would imagine we'll have here. You're going to be clearing $6,650 a year on average, y'all. That is quite nice, and that includes like you saving up $1,800 a year for your, high ticket capital expenditures, like the newer furnace and the hot water tank. That's you like saving that money. I'm like you're actually getting that money. It's not going anywhere else. It's going into your pocket, but like don't spend it on like groceries because you're going to need it because you're going to have to do a furnace. You're going to have to do a hot water tank. So with that stuff not counted, you're still clearing like $6,650 a year on average. That's why we're not dicking around with the price. They want $69.9. We need to get in there and give it to them. I think they're going to have multiple offers. Even at full price though, dude, we ain't paying that much for this, right? All you got to do is put down $17,475. Bank kicks in $52,425. You don't have lenders. Don't worry. I got lenders for you. Let's do the deal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.